Hello children, let's learn some colors. Yellow color, orange color, pink color, sky blue color, parrot green color. Alphabets. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for big. B for big. C for cat. C for cat. D for doll. D for doll. E for engine. E for engine. F for flower. F for flower. Z for goat. Z for goat. H for hippo. H for hippo. I for India. I for India. J for juice. J for juice. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Yellow color, square. Sky blue color, circle. Orange color, triangle. Parrot green color, heart. Pink color, star. A for aeroplane. B for big. C for cat. D for doll. E for engine. F for flower. Z for goat. H for hippo. I for India. J for jug. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.